I'm not even close yet. It's been 4 days. Stuck out here in the wild. I'm checking winds to see if we can get out of here today or not. If we can't, I'm kind of indifferent because I want to work on a Patreon video, but it'd be nice if we can since there's not really a cabin available in the beginning time. Ready to go to lunch?
Yeah, I'm ready to go to lunch. This is a cool date. Not your mama's vehicle. Turn it on. That is proper. Is it sliding off the plate? Kyle. Nice job. Waste. This is the best part.
Watch me when I finish this in a minute. 1 minute challenge. You ready? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that.
No, but look at all these pickles I get.
Captain's log, June 10th. We are leaving Gunnison Valley Farms. It's been nice. It's been a little too long because we didn't have anything to do yesterday but work, and we're getting anxious by staying in one place for too long, but I didn't actually mind being stuck here yesterday because the weather was great.
Well, now we have to skip through 2 people today, so.
Yeah. All right.
Which sucks. So we're gonna stay with my friend Kylie tonight, she's my best friend from 5th grade, so I haven't seen her since then. I'm kind of excited.
Me too.
Kylie, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And then this is Kyle.
Hey, Kylie.
Nice to meet you.
We went to Callahan, Colorado, and we're staying with some people that Samantha hasn't seen for 2/3 of her life.
This is Kylie.
Hey!
And her brother.
I'm Caden Miller. I am Kylie's youngest brother. We are driving to go to the Garden of the Gods.
Keep snapping to annoy her. What are they doing behind that menu? It's almost Sam's birthday and she got a beautiful cannoli with a candle. Yes.
I gotta see that replay.
We're going to Eagles Peak and we don't know if we're gonna make it.
We'll make it.
Probably not.
We'll make it.
Let's take our time.
We'll be fine.
In the heat of the day, it's like 100 degrees out already.
So, first person, Caden Miller. What's up, Kylie? Sam. Kyle. Oh. Harley, get out of that cave. Come here. Yeah, she went under a boulder. Freaking dog. Taking a quick break.
I'm not even close yet. It's been 4 days. Stuck out here in the wild.
So we did our hike. We were unsuccessful. We climbed up. We didn't make it to the top. My knee was hurting.
I'm dying over here.
And a thunderstorm started kind of coming up. It never quite hit us too bad, but we got back down. My body just hurts from the hike we did earlier today.
And the battery died.
And the battery died on the camera. So now it's charging, and this is the other battery, which looks like it's also dead because I'm irresponsible with the vlogging camera. Today there was a thunderstorm, and there was hail yesterday the size of golf balls, only 50 or 100 miles south of here.
Down in Pueblo.
Yeah, down in Pueblo, so we're north of that. And so when we found out there was a thunderstorm coming right for the airport with the airplanes tied down, Caden and I rushed out to move the airplane under shelter, and that's where it is now.